This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 314 Bud is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 9 inches in length and features a harvest interior, sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, TV antenna, slide-out, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.